Hi everybody, so today I'm going to be reacting to this video. Yeah, I might make a part 2. Yes, I will make a part 2. So let's start the video. This was like 2 or 3 years ago, I don't remember. So she's gonna try out nature versus normal cereal, I think, because that's what I said on the title. And just let me just show you. If you want to watch the original video, this is her YouTube. This is the name, and this is her YouTube channel name. So yeah, let's start the video again. Let's pray for her fingers and let's cross our hands for her fingers. Booty. Wait, music. Wow, he did it. That's such a long time ago. Last time I had blackberries was never. That was not me. What is that? Coconut water, you okay? Hold on. What did I buy? Coconut milk. Oh no. I can't believe I got coconut milk instead of coconut water. Oh, so sad. I was 38 years old when I found out that coconut milk and coconut water are two different things. Why I was thinking that it's the same thing. I need to educate myself on coconuts. Like that, I also got coconut milk white. Okay, I'll need to go to the store and get some coconut water. Be right back. Yay, we're back. I had to drive 10 kilometers to get this coconut water. That's how dedicated I am to this video. I'm trying out this nature cereal, and no matter how many things go wrong in today's video, I'm not giving up. It doesn't smell like anything. That looks like normal water. Yummy. I've never tried it, but yum. It looks yummy. So I have a spoonful of coconut milk. Sorry, coconut water. A spoonful of coconut water, pomegranate, blueberry, blackberry. Here we go. Oh, try it one more time. I love this. This is unbelievable. This looks like I was washing those berries and I just left them in the dirty water. It doesn't look appetizing at all. Just some wet berries there.
I love sour.
Something that I can control. But I really like sour things. Some people in the comments of that TikTok video were saying that this is a smoothie, but before blending all the ingredients, which I agree, it looks like that. In order to be 100% fair, I need to compare the nature cereal with the real cereal. Let's see who wins, humans or nature. Dun, 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 dun. Now here comes the true taste test. Who wins? Which creation is better? Who is the better artist? Nature or humans? Now I should give them that. That's a great marketing, you guys. That's so smart. Calling this nature I bit my tongue. Calling this calling this nature's cereal was like IQ 9999. Like, excuse me, sir? Why are you so smart? I think that the name is what actually got all of these people on TikTok to try this out. And that's actually what got me to try it out too. It's the name. However, if you personally ask me to call this, I would say, let's call this
Guys, if you like this video, do like and subscribe. Please, I beg you, please.
berries. How many of those professional chefs can say that they've made berry soup? I can say that. I would say that flavor-wise, these were both equally sweet. Because of the blueberry, these had a little more sour kind of touch to it.
And guys, comment down below what other video I should make, or what video I should react to.
Talking about texture, I like this one more. It's that crunch that gets me every time, you guys. Although, because of the pomegranate, this was pretty crunchy too. Guys, I can't resist. It's that good. There is one downside to this one. The seeds of the pomegranate. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys. They get in between your teeth and it's super annoying. Also, they're a little hard. So let's just say that they might bring you a little closer to your dentist. Don't have nature's cereal when you're angry. Don't furiously chew the nature's cereal. You might lose a tooth or two. Dentist approved. This one though, you can chew it with no problem. Like, chew as hard as you want. There is nothing in this that will break your teeth. You can even try swallowing without chewing. It's the same thing, doesn't matter. Oh look, nature's cereal is not getting soggy and disgusting. Watch and learn.
Oh wow, I'd rather eat nature's cereal. Nature's cereal, yeah.
Only the blackberries cost me as much as a full bag of cereal. Why are you so expensive? Yeah, this is a lot more pricey, but it's not better for you. So I just want to say that my tummy is very confused right now. It's like, can you just stop throwing some random stuff in here?
I'm so focused on watching the video, I forget to talk.
Yes, but be very careful with pomegranate seeds. It's so aggressive. I'm gonna have the TikTok video listed down in the description box if you wanna check out the original creator, the original nature's cereal master.
Oh well, bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.